Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone, it's Maryaaamah here again. Today let's make Sinasir using Ayoola Rice Flour. Yes, Ayoola makes Sinasir and masa look so easy with the rice flour. I added rice flour into my blender, some sugar, salt and some all-purpose flour and onion. Blend everything until smooth, and this is how it looks. Transfer it and cover it to let it rise for an hour. After an hour, now look at my batter, it have risen. I added some baking powder, whisk everything all together, and this is how beautiful the batter looks. Now I added some oil into my non-stick pot, add the batter and fry it until well cooked, and this is how it looks. Just look at this beautiful Sinasir. I pair it with this mackerel spinach sauce that is very easy to make. After frying my pepper mix, I added some spices of my choice, added mackerel fish in there, and added some lots of spinach. Let this steam for a few minutes, and that is it guys. Now just look at this fluffy Sinasir.